YouTube, this will not be a long and outdrawn video, but I wanted to make you aware of what is dropping at Dollar Tree now. If you're a business owner and you have crafts in your mind, these things will be wonderful. But I promise you, when they're gone, they're gone. So let me show you now so you can start hitting up your stores, okay? Now, let's start off. Set of pencils. You see these? Gorgeous, wonderful, fabulous. See them? That's one set. Second set. See them? Cute. Who knows what you might decide to put together? Everybody can use a pencil. All right. Look at this. Look at this. All right. Once again, I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm only going to show it to you so you can get to it, right? That's one. Here's the smaller size. Only you know what you can do with it, right? Look. Look at it. This is, ooh. Doesn't matter what business you are in, you can do something with this, right? This is the larger size. Here's the smaller size. Okay? You ready? Are you ready? Everybody loves what? Harry and David. Here is their coffee, vanilla cream brulee coffee. Look at it. Now, if you look this up on Amazon, it's at least $4 or $5. And this is a 4 ounce. Okay? What about your gift packets? There you go. Look. Here's another one. The breakfast blend. 4 ounces. Look it up. You'll see what I'm talking about. Guess what? Are you ready? Look. Bourbon vanilla, Jim Beam, and Harry and David. Come on now. Look at it. Do your research. $1.25 as opposed to what you would spend somewhere else. All right, wait a second. For my soapers, I showed you one, but guess what? Look at that. Look at it. Okay? Here we go. You ready? Look at that one. Okay? I'm sorry, upside down. I'll turn it the right way. Look at it. This is a really nice, sturdy, solid mold. This is really, as you can see, it's really for the holidays, right? And I've already showed you this one, right? Now, I'm not, once again, like I always say, I'm not here to tell you what to do with your business, but I'm here to show you what you can find, where you can find it, and guess what? How you can use it to your benefit. Shifting for a quick second, and I know I'm all over the place, and it's okay. Hobby Lobby, look at this. Now, this may look a little weird to you, but at $2.99, and right now Hobby Lobby is covering them for what? 50% off. If you are making certain packages, look at this. You've got ephemera, wire, twine, rope, and all in one to where you can wrap your packages, okay? Once again, $2.99, and it is 50% off, right? Okay, look at Dollar Tree. $1.25. We already know. I know it's only a yard. Look at this blue. Look at this velvet. Does it not look luxurious? You can use this, you can add this, you can pair it to something else. If you're a crafter, I promise you, you know what to do with it, right? Shifting again. Here's Hobby Lobby. Let me turn it around. Hobby Lobby for $2.29. I like to say that I would use this more so on packages for gentlemen. You see this? $2.29. And it's, at Hobby Lobby, it's what, 50% off? So let's, once again, $2.90, let's say $3.50. Don't sleep on it. I always say that. Don't sleep on it. outside of me being a crafter and a soaper and a, a owner of bath and body products, one of the things I love to do is show you where you can go and get things that are economical, because at the end of the day, we're all here on YouTube to help one another find valuable, economical things to help our business, right? All right, there's one. Guess what? One of the things I have learned as a business owner, yeah, it's October. What is today? 16, 17. But at the end of the day, for us, it's at the end of the month. October is over, Halloween. We're working on Thanksgiving and Christmas. Guess what I got for you? And guess where I got it from? Dollar Tree? Look. Look at this. Look. I'm not finished. Look. See this foil? This is foil. This is foil. This is not. This is foil. You ready? Foil. Let me show you. You ready? Foil. You see this? All right. I'm not finished. I am not finished. Are you ready? Here we go. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Nope, not finished. It's a foil on there. Now this one is not, but guess what? It is gorgeous. And I'm going to show you something. It is much longer than the rest. You see this? Look. This is much longer than the rest. See that? Now, I don't intend for this to be long, but guess what I intend for you to do? Go and get them while you can, because as you know, like I know, when they're gone, okay? So as a fellow YouTuber, as a fellow business owner, I always say this: you use it for whatever you choose to use it for. But when they come out with it, and if I see it, it's my job, my responsibility to my fellow YouTubers, my fellow business owners, to show you so you can get to it while you can, because once it's gone, it's gone. Right? Good night.